believe for every drop of rain that falls, a flower grows. I believe that somewhere in the darkest night a candle glows. I believe for everyone who goes astray, someone will come to show the way. I believe above the storm, the smallest prayer will still be heard. I believe that someone in this great somewhere hears every word. Time to let the rain fall without the help of man. Time to let the trees grow tall now if they only can. Time to let our children live in a land that's free. Alley, 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 oxen free. Alley, 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 oxen free. Strong and weak, mild and meek, no more hide and seek. Blow the smoke away and look at the sky again. Time to let our friends know we'd like to begin again. Time to send the message across the land and sea. Alley, 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 oxen free. Alley, 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 oxen free. Thank you.